Good night. Milo here again with some Backwoodsman cooking. Tonight I'm going to teach you how to cook egg on a stone. So this stone I had heated with when I was building my fire, and I created coals. I had everything built on this stone, and this stone has gotten hot enough so I can put my eggs to fry on this stone. So basically, get an egg, open it on the stone. Here you can add your black pepper, and some salt. You can move the egg around on the hotter part of the stone. Some may leave it one spot to cook. I move it around because the stone is hot at different points. So we are going to make scrambled eggs. Some may like the little sunny side up. So I'll spread it around. Take advantage of the hot surface of the stone. Now remember, before you use any stone, you should wash the stone clean to avoid any germs or bacteria. Although fire may have passed through it, Backwoodsman cooking, a whole different taste into cooking. Wow. And you can have this with bacon, you could have this with bread, you could have it all by itself. Wow. And here I will have Shravan hand me a plate so that I can transfer this. Yes. There you have it. See, nice egg, which you can have with anything you want. This is the final product, egg from on top a heated stone. So now I'm gonna enjoy eating this egg. Hope you try it and you will also enjoy eating this egg. Thank you for watching this video.